Discover the power of the law of attraction to transform your appearance. In this ultimate guide, we reveal the most engaging and believable tips and techniques to help you manifest your desired look. Unlock the secrets of visualization, affirmations, and positive self-talk to create lasting change. Are you ready to embrace a new you? Let's dive in. What you'll learn in this video. 1. The fundamentals of the law of attraction and how it can impact your appearance. 2. Powerful visualization techniques to manifest your desired changes. 3. The magic of affirmations and positive self-talk for boosting your self-image. 4. How to take action and embrace change for a stunning transformation. 5. The importance of patience and consistency in your manifestation journey. By following these proven tips and techniques, you'll be on your way to achieving the appearance you've always dreamed of. Remember, your thoughts and emotions have the power to shape your reality. It's time to harness that power and create the life you deserve. Today, we're diving into 5 supercharged tips to boost your self-image and transform your appearance. Get ready to unleash your inner superstar. 1. Rock your strengths. Embrace and flaunt the features you love. Confidence is your secret weapon. 2. Gratitude groove. Keep a daily journal of what you appreciate about your looks. Positivity is magnetic. 3. Self-love squad. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding. Embrace your uniqueness and own it. 4. Victory vibes. Celebrate every win, big or small. Progress is a journey, and you're on the right track. 5. Good energy crew. Surround yourself with uplifting people who cheer you on. Positivity is contagious. Let's conquer this adventure together and unleash your full potential. Hit that like button, subscribe, and join the conversation in the comments. We're all in this together, and we can't wait to see you shine.